Hello everyone, it's Gigi and I have a product review to do for you guys. I purchased this myself on Amazon and you receive 40 yards of this beige vintage cotton lace, and it comes in 8 different styles and I am thoroughly impressed. So I also have a project share to share with you. So I'm going to open it up and show you what it comes with it. Sorry for the noise, but I wanted you to see how it was wrapped when it comes. So I'm going to share what you get. So you get this one right here. Let me pull it out so you can see the design. So you get this one. It's so pretty. And I used this one in my project. Then you get this one here. You get so much. 40 yards is a lot. And this one is so cute. It has hearts. Little hearts at the top. Do y'all see that? Isn't that cute? I love it. And you get different sizes. Like this one's a thicker band. Isn't that beautiful? Let me see where the start of this one is. I'm not finding it. It's hiding. Here it is. So here's this one. Also very pretty. I really love this one too. Look how gorgeous that is. There's 2 more. And this one's thin and fun. I love that. You can also use this. I like that it's the size that it is since I'm a card maker. You can use this on cards, even tags. And then here's a thicker one. This one is really pretty. And it's so soft. I like that it's cotton. It cuts easily. I like how it came wrapped. And I'll store it in there probably inside with my other ones. So let me do a project share. So this is what I came up with, and I used it up here. I hot glued it. But I did some splattering, and then I did some different layering techniques. I used my tracing wheel right up here. And then on the inside, I just did hello friend. But I love it. It's so dainty. I think it's just beautiful. It's something pretty to add to your cards and give it texture. So I definitely recommend it. It's $10.99, which is an awesome deal. And if you have Prime, it's free shipping. So go check it out, guys. I'll leave the link down in my description box if you're interested. If not, that's fine too. But just a way to get a lot of lace for a good price. All right, guys. Love ya. Bye.